Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dark aesthetic filter to your videos in CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is add your video and just start by going to the filters and then add the fade filters that you can find under the mono category. Okay, swipe this one, fade. Add it to around 35 and now go to adjust. Now for the brightness, let's lower it to around -15, contrast -22, and the saturation -15. Now for the brilliance, lower it to -40, sharpness increase it to 100, and click on the highlights and lower it to around -30. Lastly, click on the shadow and increase it a bit. Now this is the result. Okay, I'm going to increase. Okay, so this is the dark aesthetic filter for your videos. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.